Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make rock cakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make your liquid mixture. So into a bowl pour in your milk and add in the egg, then whisk together until they are fully combined. You'll notice it's ready once the mixture goes this kind of yellowish colour. Set aside until needed a little later on. Recommend chilling it in the fridge. Then into a large mixing bowl you can go ahead and add in your flour, your sugar and your raisin agents, and then just whisk everything together until it's fully combined. You won't be able to tell, but just mix it until fully combined. Then add in your cold butter, and then you could do this in a food processor if you really wanted, but I'm doing it the old-fashioned way and just rubbing it together using my fingertips until the butter is fully incorporated. Again, you'll be able to tell as the mixture goes this kind of yellowish colour and becomes a little bit more lumpy. This is completely fine and normal. You are looking to get rid of all the butter, so work that in. Add in your fruit and just mix this in until it's fully incorporated and fairly distributed throughout the mixture. Once you've done that, you can then start to add in your liquid mixture. I added a little at a time as I didn't know if this would be too much, but it wasn't. You needed all of it anyway, so then just mix until you have a dough. And this is a kind of it's not a sticky dough, but it's not a smooth dough, it's kind of somewhat in between. Then you can go ahead, and I'm using a scoop just to help with portioning, but feel free to just do it by hand like the old-fashioned way would tell you. But this also helps to get a bit more uniform with the shape. I know it's not the traditional way, but hey, here we go. Repeat the process until you have all of your rock cakes on trays, and then you can bake them off in the oven in your preheated oven. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which has been linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. So here are what the rock cakes look like once they are fully baked. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be linked to this recipe, links to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.